I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to sketch a quadratic function. The question is, sketch g of x equals to minus 2 x minus 1 whole square plus 2. Now I'm not using any graph paper here. We'll kind of make a rough sketch and then sketch this particular function, right? So I'm just making coordinate axis and we will see how to sketch. Steps involved are, first you find the vertex. The equation is given to us in vertex form. You can easily read the vertex is at 1, 2, right? So that is the vertex. So this is the point vertex, right? So we get the vertex. The second thing is we need to check the steps. So vertex and steps are two things required to sketch any quadratic function. Steps are minus 2 times and normal steps are 1, 3, 5, 7, right? Kind of like this. Now since a value is minus 2, the vertical stretch by minus 2, that means reflection and stretch. Steps will be minus 2 times 1, 3, 5, 7. So those become the step for us. Now let me show you how to apply these two things to sketch very accurately a quadratic function. So let's locate the vertex. 1, 2 means x value is 1. So let's say these are our x values, okay. Fine. And y values, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say. So when we say that the vertex is 1, 2, that means x is 1, y is 2. So that is the point, correct? So that is 1, 2. Now the steps are minus 2 times 1, 3, 5 step. So first step is, when you move 1 unit to left, you have to do 2 down. So when 1 left, 2 down means that point. 1 left from symmetry, this point. So you get these 2 points. The next step is minus 2 times 3, that means 6. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. So now if you move 1 left, then you need to go 6 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is your position. And from symmetry, we can say one right from here, right? So one more right from this place and 6 down. So that is your point. Joining these points, we get our graph, right? So that is how you could actually get your graph. So you can join with a smooth curve as I'm showing you here, correct? And go through these points. That's the graph. And this point for us is minus 6, right? This is 0, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 1, right? And that, the vertex is at 1, 2. Now you can label this as g of x is your function. That is x-axis. Is that okay? So that is how you could very easily sketch a quadratic function if it is given in vertex form. So steps involved are find the vertex located on your grid, then follow the steps. 1, 3, 5, 7 times a value, that vertical stretch. And that is how you will actually get your graph. Now as an exercise, what you can do is you need to write down characteristics of your function g of x, right? So characteristics could be domain is all real numbers, x belongs to real numbers. How about range? Range is y belongs to real numbers where y is less than equal to 2. This is range. You can say x and y intercepts. So x intercepts from the graph also we can get. You could calculate also is at x equals to 0 and 2, right? And at x equals to 0 and 2, y intercept is at y intercept is also at origin, right? So y intercept is at y equals to 0. So the origin, right? So that is how it is. It opens downwards. That is clear from this negative sign, right? So that is how you could write some characteristics. You can also say that it moves from quadrant 3 to quadrant 4, right? Or you can say when x approaches negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity, that is on this side, right? And when x approaches positive infinity, y approaches positive infinity. That is end behavior. So these are some characteristics which you could write along with axis of symmetry, which is very important. I should have written earlier. Axis of symmetry is x equals to 1, this value, right? X equals to 1. So let me show you axis of symmetry with a line here. That is the axis of symmetry. So that is how you can get some characteristics of the given function from the graph also. I hope that really helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.